Hey everyone, it's your girl Lady Vintage Bags here. So, I was looking on my favorite website, Brand JFA, and I'm talking about their direct website, not their eBay store. And I saw a good deal that I thought I couldn't pass up. And it's actually the baby sister of one of my favorite handbags. So here she is. So this is what it looks like when you buy a bag from Brand JFA. So it just comes in a DHL satchel, so not a box. Okay, I'm gonna get started unboxing this. This is a true unboxing, guys. Alright, here she is. She does not come with the dust bag, just the handbag itself. Dun 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 dun. Wow, look at her. This is a small St. Cloud. Now, on their ad, they call this the St. Cloud PM. However, I don't think this is the St. Cloud PM. I think this is the mini St. Cloud. So look at that size difference. Look how stinking cute this little bag is. So normally I'm not a mini bag girl. Normally I like decently sized bags so I could fit all my essentials in. However, I've been wanting a smaller bag just to help with my dog walking. I've already got my 2 pochette accessoires, but I just wanted another one. And when I say it was a good deal, okay, so guess how much I paid for this? Leave your comment down below and then tell me if you guessed right. So I paid $223 US for this bag. Isn't that a great deal? I thought so, and that's why I hit buy now. So that works out to be about 320 Australian dollars. And that's including taxes and shipping. So I actually didn't have to pay any tax, which is called GST, and the shipping was free. So I paid 320 Australian dollars, 223 US dollars, all inclusive, for this vintage Louis Vuitton St. Cloud PM. Look at her. So you can see here, this is the leather here. So the patina is not that dark. So it looks like there was like a sticker or something there. Maybe they pulled it off. But so there's uneven patina there. Really tarnished hardware there. This is the back pocket. So it's not sticky. Bit of flaking. Little bit of flaking, but not sticky. This is the interior. So the inside pocket. So again, not sticky. Bit of flaking. So these have not been cleaned out. When you buy from Japanese sellers, they don't refurbish it or anything. They just sell it as is. And you've got to refurbish it yourself. And that's exactly what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be refurbishing or sparring this handbag. And I'm going to film the whole process as a tutorial for you. So check out my how to refurbish your vintage Louis Vuitton bags, which I'll be filming and uploading in the future. So if you're interested in that, keep an eye out for that. This is so cute. So let's see what I can fit. Okay guys, so this is my phone. This is the Zenfone 9. So this is on the smaller side. That fits. Now I'm going to get a bigger phone. Okay, so this is my Google Pixel 3, which is slightly bigger. Still not the biggest phone. Oh, that's really squishy going in horizontal. So that's going to have to go in vertically. So that fits in there vertically. So if you have a bigger phone, it's probably not going to go in horizontally. But if you have a small phone like the Zenfone, that went in horizontally. So I'll put the measurements up for you. Look at it. There's no, I mean, there's tarnished hardware, but there's nothing wrong with the straps at all. So the leather's a little bit dry, but it's not cracked anywhere. The patina is actually better than what I have on my GM. Look, that's lighter. Look, the front is lighter. I think I got such a good deal. I am going to clean this bag up, so expect that hardware to be nice and shiny in my tutorial video. And I'm not even going to have to clean out these pockets because just a little bit of flaking, so you can see the amount just little dots on my fingers. I mean, I don't really care about that at this stage. You can see there, hardly any dots on my fingers, so I'm just going to use this bag straight up as is. Vintage Louis Vuitton, patina not that bad, no cracks on the leather, just a bit of dryness. Look at this cute little shoulder strap, that's so cute. You compare it to the shoulder strap size on the St. Cloud GM. That's so funny. Look at that size difference. No peeling, no sticky tarry pockets, just a little bit of flaking, but I don't even really need to do anything there. This is such a good deal. I can't believe it. I'm gonna take some mod shots, so I'll insert that here, and you can also see the size difference between this St. Cloud and my St. Cloud GM as well. Guys, let me know what you think below. Do you think I got a good deal or what? I'd love to hear your comments. So have a look out for that tutorial video on how I refurbish this bag. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.